Hey guys, we're back at the property for our weekly checkup. This is the end of week 4. This week they did 3 inspections. The initial environmental inspection, um, they made sure the construction site was set up with the entrance and all the other things required for that, and they inspected the footers. So let's take a look, see what we got going on. Our building package was delivered this week. Looks like our lot has become a laydown yard. That's exciting. You can actually see progress. Looks like the piles of rebar are decreasing in size. Footers are being formed up. Let's take a look at those. Actually, they poured the concrete for the footers. It's done. So they got the rebar in the ground. Footers are poured. And looks like the form for the pad is up. I guess next phase for this will be running plumbing, mechanical, and electrical stuff that's required to go in the slab. And they'll start pouring. This concludes week 4 update. Stick with us for more updates in the weeks ahead.